Most of the people think spotting a fake toner is easy. Bad packaging, poor print quality, obvious problems. And honestly, that was used to be true. But today, counterfeit toner is far more sophisticated. It looks original, it feels original, and even sometime at the beginning, it even works original. Hi, my name is Jatin, and today I'm going to tell you how actually these counterfeit toners work and why so many businesses don't even realize they are using it until they face the consequences. Let's start with something most of the people never think about: the batch code. On every genuine toner cartridge, that batch code actually means something. It linked the product to a specific factory, a production date, and a manufacturing run. It is there for trackability. And now here's the problem: most of the buyers never check it. They see a batch code and assume it's legit and move on. But counterfeiters understand this, so they do not skip the batch code, they copy the idea from it. So the format looks right, the presentation is also right, but that batch code does not connect to anything real. It means there is no record behind it, no trackability, no accountability. It looks legit, but actually it is not. And that's bring us to the next issue: pigment quality. In genuine toner cartridge, pigment formula is carefully balanced. It's designed for consistent output, long life, and stable performance. But on the other hand, counterfeit manufacturers' approach are very different. Their focus is not on performance, it's on cost. So they use the cheapest pigmentation and less stable ratio. And at first you might not notice anything unusual, but over the time, print quality fade, colors lose consistency, and the cartridge use more toner per page. So while the cartridge appear cost effective, it leads towards higher toner consumption and put unnecessary stress on your printer. Assume that if a printer accepts the cartridge, it means it must be original. And I have to say that these assumptions are not right anymore, because counterfeit toners are also cloning the chips, and these clone chips make the printer accept the cartridge. That's why these fake cartridges fit on the printers initially, but later on it totally stopped working. And here's something most people don't realize: counterfeit toners are designed to work normally at the beginning. And this is done on purpose, because at first everything looks fine, the prints are okay, there are no obvious problems. But over the time, print quality drop, prints become inconsistent, and errors start appearing. By then, the cartridge is already been used. The seller is not any longer available. And that's exactly what makes counterfeit toner hard to detect at the beginning. And that's exactly why we built Toner Inco, to remove the guesswork, to protect the businesses from uncertainty. So if you want original authorized product with verified supply chain, remember the name Toner Inco.